everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today is the final of my project pan for the year of 2021. I went through a lot of items this year. I have them all written down and we'll total up how many products I actually panned. But let's go over what was left in my project pan and where we stand at it. So I had my Clinique Chubby Stick blush. This has been in my project pan since the beginning of the year. There is that much left. I did not use it up. I'm not going to use it. I am going to declutter this. So it didn't get panned, unfortunately, but I'm going ahead and decluttering it from my collection. I just don't use these stick blushes. It's just not my thing. Okay, next was my Tarte color wheel. I knew I wouldn't use this up, and I didn't, but I put a really good dent on that one right there. I didn't use these like highlighter shades. I didn't care for them. I am going to declutter this though. It is leaving my collection. I'm just not going to use it. So, bye-bye. Now, next was my little Tarte lipstick in Park Avenue Princess. Do you see how much I have left? I call this a win. It got so low it was hard for me to put it on. So, I say I pan this. Some people's idea of panning is you just completely use every last drop. That's not really me. I think I used a whole lot of lipstick. I used a ton and I feel like I'm down to the very, very bottom. So I have no problems of just trashing that and letting it be go. I'm counting it as a pan. Next, my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter in Lunch Money. I knew I wasn't going to pan this, but look at the... Well, I knew I wasn't going to use it up, but look how much pan I've got in that. I am very pleased with this. This is still performing great. Here, I'll look at that. It's perfect. It's performing great. It's nice and creamy. I'm going to hang on to this. It's going back into my collection and I will continue using that. I'm going to use other highlighters for a while because I have focused mainly on this one for quite a while. Next, I have my Clinique Happy perfume. Let's see, what is it officially? Yeah, it's perfume spray. This is a 100 ml bottle. This was my signature fragrance for years, almost like at least a decade, maybe longer. I used this only, and then I stopped, and now I'm getting back into fragrance again. I will repurchase this at some point because I wore it for so many years. I just don't want to wear it anymore right now. But this one always got me compliments. Every day somebody said something about my perfume. So, yeah, but I used up, there's like a little drop in there, but yeah, it's gone. Oops. So I rarely use up a bottle of perfume. So I'm very pleased with that one. And then last is this Bath & Body Works Frosted Wonderland Shimmer Swirl Lotion. I used it up. I rarely use up a lotion either. Usually it goes bad and I throw it away. So I was glad to get the last little bit out of that. So let's see. I've got... Okay, one is going back into my collection, and then two I'm just decluttering, and then three I got done. So I'm proud of that. I in total went through 20 items that I panned this year. I think that's a pretty good amount of items that have been used up and have gotten that I feel good about, that are used and out of my collection, and yeah, so I'm pleased with that. As far as 2022 goes, I'm not planning a project pan. It's just going to be a wild year for me. So I'm not planning on doing any project panning for 2022. I will be doing a lot more probably decluttering and just getting rid of items and not saving them to pan. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.